morning, class. I hope you all are fit and fine at home. And now we are going to start a new topic, that is inserting a field in a database. Already we are doing a practical in our database and many topics already we have covered. So in this class we will cover or we will study inserting a field in a database. Suppose that we have a one table, student name, serial number, name, class and section. Okay, and in this table if you want to insert any field between two fields or maybe before the serial number or here. Okay, so if we want to insert a new field, so we can use a inserting a field option in our database. So how we'll do a practical on the system? Now let's see.
Now we are going to start the topic is inserting a field in a table. Okay, so now you can see in the navigation pane there is a students table, and we need to open that is a student table details, student table database or table. Now we have one table that is a students, and there are fields: roll number, name, address, class and contact. And in this table there is all information already we have entered in this table. Now if we want to insert any field between the two fields or before the roll number, before the name field, okay, so we can insert new field in a table, right? Any place in the table, right? Suppose that this is the name field and we want to insert a new field before the name field. So select the field header and click on the home tab option. After that, in the ribbon section you can see that is a field and column group. In that field and column group you have an insert column option, and we can click on that insert column option. Now you can see in the table, in the student table, you have a new field, that is a field 1, right? And that field is inserted before the field name. After that we can change the heading or name of the field. We can double click on the field name and then we can type a new field name. Suppose that we want to write as a serial number, okay, and after that we can press the enter key. In that table you can see a new field has been inserted, and now we can type